Hi friends, welcome to the online lecture series on programming in C. C is a general purpose, structured high-level programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972 at AT&T's Bell Laboratories. History of C language. C inherits many features of previous languages such as B and BCPL. Starting from the year 1972, the various standards of C are given below. Traditional C developed in the year 1972, K&R C 1978, ANSI C standard 1989, ANSI ISO C in the year 1990, C99 standard in the year 1999, C11 standard in the year 2011, C17 standard was introduced in the year 2018. The present draft version of C23 is the informal name for what will likely become the next standard for C programming language, which will replace C17 standard. Features of C. Robust. Rich set of built-in functions and operators can be used to write any complex programs which are strength of the C language. C language is suitable for writing both system software and application software. Efficient and fast. Due to a variety of data types and powerful operators, programs written in C are efficient and fast when compared with other programming languages. Portable. Programs written in one computer can run on another computer with little or no modification. Modular or procedural. Problems can be divided into subproblems and those things are solved using function modules or blocks. The modular approach makes the program easy to code, debug, test, and maintain. In addition to this, reusability is also one of the major advantages of modular approach. Extensible. We know that C is rich in library functions. We can add our own functions into the existing C library so that we can extend the functionality of the C language. Structure of a C program. Documentation section. This section is used to specify the program description, author's name, program return date, etc. These details are specified in the form of comments that will be ignored by the compiler. We can specify comments in two different formats, that is multi-line comment or single line comment. The multi-line comment should be enclosed within slash, star and star slash. As per ANSI C, comments can be written using double slash followed by the comment, which is a single line comment that can be used anywhere in the program. Preprocessor directives. These are special instructions to the compiler to pre-process the source code before compilation. The preprocessor directives can be a file inclusion, macro expansion, conditional compilation, and other directives. Global declaration. Global variables, function prototypes, and static variables are declared in this section. Main function. In C, the program execution starts from the main function. Hence, every executable C code must contain the main function. There should be at least one executable statement in the main function. All the declaration and executable statements should end with a semicolon. The program execution starts at the opening brace and ends at the closing brace of the main function. After the main function, the subprogram section contains the list of user-defined functions which performs some specific task. The main function can be used in any one of the following form, that is main, void main, int main, etc. Character set. The C character set contains alphabets, digits, and special characters. Tokens. The tokens are the basic building blocks of any language. The tokens can be an identifier, constant, operator, keyword, special character, and a string. Identifiers. An identifier refers name of an entity which can be a variable, array, functions, user-defined data types, labels, etc. Constants. A constant is a value which cannot be changed during program execution. The constants are broadly classified into primary constant and secondary constant. Primary constants are character constant, integer constant, and real constant. Secondary constants are arrays, strings, structures, enumerators, and union. Variable. A variable is a name for the memory location which can hold any one value during the program execution. The value of a variable can be changed during program execution.
For example, consider we have a variable called n that holds an integer value 0. When we change the value of that variable, the existing value gets updated in the same memory location with the new value.
Now we will see rules for naming a variable. A variable name is a combination of alphabets, digits, and an underscore. In general, the maximum length of variable name can be up to 31 characters. Some compilers allow variable name up to 247 characters. The first character in a variable must be an alphabet or an underscore. No commas or blanks are allowed within a variable name. No special characters are allowed other than an underscore. Please note the variable names are case sensitive in C language. Some of the valid and invalid variable names are specified below. Keywords. Keywords are reserved words which are having special meanings in C. There are 32 keywords in C language. All the keywords are specified in lowercase. We will see the usage of these keywords whenever we use them in the program for their intended purposes. Thank you.